Namaste friends. Let us make today all natural sunscreen, which is Sweet 16 sunscreen. It gives this effect because of the skin soothing, protecting, nourishing, repairing and rejuvenating properties of the ingredients used in making them. Sunscreens are topical products used to protect the skin against damage caused by the ultraviolet rays, and these artificial chemical sunscreens clogs the pores of our skin. Excessive exposure to sun's UVA and UVB radiations accelerate aging process and increase the risk of skin cancer along with the sunburn and sun tanning effect. So we have carefully selected only those ingredients which have high photoprotective effect and also high healing properties. So the first ingredient is the licorice, which has the active antioxidant called lycocalcone A, which strengthens the skin's own defense mechanism, acting as a protective shield, going beyond just being a sunscreen but protecting it from further sun's exposure and skin damage. The isoflavone present in it, called the glabridin, is a natural, gentle skin lightening agent which blocks the action of skin darkening enzyme tyrosinase. Other wonderful ingredients are giloy, neem, red sandalwood powder, aloe vera gel, which offers protection against photo damage at cellular level. When solid nanoparticles were incorporated into a cream, they found that the SPF of resultant sunscreen was on par with the sunscreens available in the market. Next ingredient is the rose petals, which give relaxing, cooling and natural perfuming effect. Then we have the ever cooling water. Next is avocado oil, which has lutein, vitamin E and also oleic acid, which are very helpful for cell membrane functioning of the skin and also have the beneficial effect on genes linked to cancer. It also contains polyhydroxylated fatty alcohols, which gives non sunscreen protection against UV induced damage in skin cells. So, first we collect all these wonderful herbs. Take a teaspoon of each of these powders, leaving 1/10 of all the powders as such, because we will be using them later to make a paste out of them. Now soak these collected herbs into 16 parts of water. Soaking the herbs in water this way allows the active water soluble ingredients present in the herbs enter into water. Next day morning, we will allow the mixture to come to a boil in a medium flame and then reduce the flame. Stir the contents frequently, maintaining low temperature so that the herbal powders won't get charred at the bottom. Continue this process until just 1/4 of the liquid decoction remains. We can then filter the mixture using the double layered cloth. To this collected filtrate, 1/10 part of all the herbal powders that we had left earlier is now used by mixing it with water and adding it to the filtrate. At this point, we will also add 4 parts of avocado oil. We continue to boil the whole mixture in a low flame, stirring till it reaches a point when all the water is evaporated and just the pure oil remains. At this point, the oil will be emitting a very beautiful fragrance. Its purity is tested using a wick. Just pour a little bit of oil on the wick and light it. If it makes a sound, then there is the presence of water still and we need to still heat it for some more time. And if the lamp burns without making any sound very brightly, then our product is ready. I store it in a dark colored bottle like this so it will stay good for a long time, even up to 6 months. We can also make this product using Vedic cow ghee, that is A2 cow ghee, and different combination of ingredients can also be used if the ingredients we used earlier are not available at your place. All these ingredients again have great photoprotective effect on our skin. The ingredients are calendula flowers, lemongrass, pomegranate peels, aloe vera gel, carrot leaves powder, lavender flowers and licorice. If you can't get carrot leaves, even plain carrots, red or purple color can be used. Rest the procedure is same. Here, since the ingredients are not in powdered form, just wash the herbs, cut them and shade dry them and use. We can powder all the ingredients to make into paste to be added into the filtrate that is collected after boiling all the herbs in low flame. We heat the mixture of the filtrate, the herbal paste with the ghee till all the water content evaporates, and we also do the final flame test. After which we will filter the content and store in a glass bottle like this. Here are our two sunscreen products ready, which can be used not only just as sunscreen but as a regular cream which we can apply anytime during the day or night. They also work very well as a lip guard cream. Not only that, applying this cream or oil at the navel region will help to heal stomach ulcers, generate new skin cells, giving sweet 16 look to our skin. But just applying externally is not enough. Unify recommends to do all the five elements, that is, having completely whole foods rich in antioxidants and polyphenols, hydrating ourselves with consuming good amount of water, doing good physical exercise and breathing exercises like pranayama, and also relaxing ourselves by doing some selfless service for others and also meditation. So just make these wonderful Sweet 16 sunscreen products as per the availability of the ingredients at your place and remain beautiful and young ever. If you have any more questions in making this product, please join Unify Eco-Friendly Products Telegram group and all your questions will be answered. Thank you.